Hi, I'm Sushmita, your crypto guide, and in this video we shall talk about Gwei. The term Gwei refers to a small denomination of Ether, which is native currency of the Ethereum blockchain. Gwei is the smallest denomination of Ether, and Gwei means Giga Gwei. Along with Ether, Gwei is the most commonly used denomination of Ethereum cryptocurrency, and it is particularly useful when talking about gas or computational unit of work for a transaction. Specifically, a unit of Gwei is defined as 1 billionth of Ether. So 1 Gwei equals 0.0000000001 Ether. Conversely, 1 Ether equals 1 billion Gwei. So this was Gwei. And if you want to know about any specific topic, do let me know in the comments below. Till then, bye-bye. For more such info on technical terms, subscribe to our channel.